Meaning of Hg.
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 Hg. The acronym Hg has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. It could stand for Mercurial, which is a distributed revision control system used in software development. Alternatively, it could refer to Hunger Games, which is a popular series of young adult novels and movies. Additionally, Hg could mean hydrogen gas, which is a colorless, odorless, and highly flammable gas. Therefore, the meaning of Hg can only be accurately determined based on the specific context in which it is being used.